I'm going to show you what the floor looks like. You're going to be appalled. Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we're doing a complete declutter of the toys and books and that sort of thing in Sophie's room. Our plan is to go through and declutter, try to get rid of some toys that she's not really playing with anymore that just contribute to the toy dump, and then organize what she has left because we know that she's going to be getting toys at Christmas from Santa and grandparents, etc. So we need to make room for that. So that's what we're going to do today. So for some reason at this point I'm looking around and everything seems to look a whole lot worse than it did when we started, but we're going to keep on moving.
Practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.
Stop.
an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you.
So we're trying to pare down the baby dolls here because Sophie has a ton of them. So I'm just double checking some that I never see her play with. And then Katie hands me one more and says she really doesn't play with that one. And Sophie's like, no way. I'm putting my foot down. You cannot take this baby.
Just like a boomerang, you're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang, I keep on spinning like a boomerang. My head is spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you, you're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road in an Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang, just like a
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never
Okay, so the room is straight and neat. He got rid of a good many books. Got her down to the 2 big shelves and one on the bottom. And then Sophie's on the bed. And here's Sophie's little dress-up area. All right, so we got 1 bag of trash and 1 bag of toys to give away out of Sophie's room. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.